sees my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Welcome back to my Hero Bike channel. I want to talk about today is about the brake pad for my MTB. What happened is if you watch my previous vlog, and then there is something problem with my front brakes, and then it's making noise, and then I can't stand anymore, and then I end up buying a new one because I already tried to open it up and to clean it up, but still just something is just not right there. And then what happened is I want to show you how to change the brake pad. Okay guys, this is my old brake pad. See, it's just already like this, the color like that. Okay guys, see, look, and there is a tongue, the clip come with it inside, right? And then there is one nail inside there. And then I want to show you the new brake pad that I bought it like this. So guys, you see the color is really different. And then the thickness is also different. See, you can see that. The thickness, this is more thick, like I don't know how many millimeter. And then I hope it's gonna be good when I install it, the new brake pad. Okay guys, one more thing is I also want to say thank you if you already subscribed my channel. If you new, please consider subscribe my channel by click the subscribe there. And then we're gonna have a look how is it to install brake pad. Before we start, try to clean this one, the rotor. Try to clean it nicely. Okay, see, so nicely cleaned. So like that. Oh, clean this there. Then we try to clean this one as well. Okay guys, look at that. Look like clean already. I clean it up. So nice. This is Shimano hydraulic brakes. So okay, voila. So you need this one. This is the new one. This is the clip. I give you also this one. Okay, voila. Okay, then put it here inside there. Okay, can you see that? That we put it back again, so in there. And there is a hole there. Remember that the nail that comes with it, and then we can put it in. So easy. Okay guys, just nailed it. So yep. Okay guys, like that. Yeah.